Alright y'all, like I said, CoryxKenshin only posts once every 6 months, so I'm gonna have to take his spot with the Spooky Scare Sundays. And we got 3 episodes, so the first episode is gonna be called Doppelganger, so let's jump into it. No copyright. No copyright. We about to edit this part out because I don't wanna get copyright. I don't wanna get copyright. So I'm gonna keep singing over this song. I'm gonna keep on singing over this song cause I don't wanna get copyright. Oh my goodness, turn this song off so I can edit this part out. Oh my goodness, stop playing this song. Oh my goodness, stop playing this song. I know it's muffled, I don't wanna keep playing this song cause I don't wanna play it. You don't wanna say, man, I don't wanna say it. You don't wanna play, man, I don't wanna play it. Drinking out the cup, man, put it in your... I don't wanna say nothing, man. Oh my goodness, bruh, stop playing the song. Turn the song off, bruh, please.
Run away and hide. If you are inside your home with the lights out, do not look outside your window. Turn on your lights before you look through any window. Do not leave your home if you see a figure outside. Even if he is further away, do not look at him. If you do hear a familiar voice coming from inside your home, do not move. He is inside. He is inside.
Yo, Aiden.
Inside. He is inside. He is inside. He is inside. He is inside.
Wait a minute, who was at the beginning? I was freestyling, man. I didn't want to get copyrighted. Who was at the beginning? Was that his friend? All right, so this next one is gonna be called the Candleman. Candleman. He just hit him with the... All right, this last one is going to be called Don't Peek. It's we? Oh, it's the game. Oh my gosh, they didn't made her a Sims character. All right, you guys, that's going to be the end of today's episode. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.